North of the birthplace of country music in Nashville, and centrally located in Clarksville, Tennessee, now stands a fortress of power and strength for our nation's warriors. Introducing the newest location of the Law Office of Will M. Helixon, home of your veteran warrior law team. Next to Fort Campbell, and also serving soldiers and airmen from Fort Knox, Redstone Arsenal, Maxwell-Gunter Air Force Base, and surrounding areas, our new Clarksville location provides service members unparalleled military law expertise. With the Warrior Law Team, you're not just hiring a military law firm, you're gaining a strategic military justice partner. Our warrior advocates are now physically located outside the gates of Fort Campbell to defend your legal rights. From adverse administrative actions to boards and courts martial, we are committed to vigorously protecting your rights with relentless energy and tireless dedication. With our office in Clarksville, we leverage a worldwide network of warrior advocates to aggressively uphold your rights and guard against overreaching command actions. Call us today. The Law Office of Will M. Helixon, defending America's warriors. You defend the nation. We defend you.